420 Things Grow in Ontario. You won't believe how long it took me to get my dog to sit beside these tents. She's a little scaredy cat, eh? But yeah, so this is the comparison video. I did the unboxing here not that long ago. Give you all the, ins and outs, what's in there, stuff here. Yeah, we're going to be doing some more videos with AC Infinity. Got some bags up there. And yeah, so this is just a quick comparison. So let me get them unzipped. Let me get the scaredy cat. Come on. Good girl. Yeah, we'll get these open and we'll see the differences. All right, so AC Infinity on the right here. For ports on the right-hand side, we got the big one in the bottom there with a screen, little opening. I don't ever use that. We got a 6-inch at the bottom, 6-inch at the top. Now let's go over to the Mars Hydro and see what it has. It's got the 6-inch at the top and just that screen thing at the bottom. So we're missing one less port here. All right, now let's go to the back on the Mars Hydro. It's got a that's 4-inch. Yeah, it's 4-inch. 2-inch? Geez, that's small. No, that is small. That's not a 4-inch. That's a 2-inch. Jeez, that's 4 fingers. Let's see what these ones are. Yeah, way more. That's a 4-inch. So this is like a 3-inch maybe? And another one here. I use them more for cabling. That's what I use them for, but those ones are smaller. There is 2, and there's a big opening on the bottom. Big opening on the bottom. What size is that? That's the same 4-inch as up top. So a 4-inch and a 4-inch. Left-hand side, we got a mesh thing and a 6-inch. On here, we got the 6-inch. Got this pouch, which I'm not 100% sold on. And then another 6-inch down here as well as that. So both sides have an extra hole opening, and they're both size 6-inch. And on the top here, this one's an 8-inch, and over here, it's an 8-inch as well. So that's it on the ports. Poles, wow, man, these are way bigger, right? This is like a big 5x5 size pole. And in here, it's, well, the exact size, but it's small. All right, so back to the pole size. So these are the hangers that come with that tent. The Mars Hydro has one like this length, the 2-footer, and one length for the 4-footer. The AC Infinity comes with 2 of these, 2-foot long. So that's cool. And look at the size difference. Like, it's going to be able to hold a lot more. There's no doubt about it. All right, now on to the mat. So the mats are pretty much the same. They sit in the bottom. They Velcro around the poles in each corner. Now, talking about Velcro, AC Infinity has got some Velcro out here, okay? For your door, when you want to hang it, you got the prickly side here, you got the soft side here. Now, it's handy, it's quick, it's easy. Mars Hydro, gotta tie a nice pretty bow because it's just 2 long things. Now, I can tell you that I never use this, but this, every time I went to zip up my tent, I usually, with this tent, I would take the bottom one, obviously, because I'm looking at the plants. See, that thing always gets caught too. Anyways, so there we go. I would start here, and I go like this. And so then when I'm putting it back, this, a lot of the times, when I'm zipping it up, it would get caught. Like, you know what I mean? As I'm zipping, I can't get it because it's caught on this thing. So, that other one doesn't look like it's going to be an issue. It's pretty, it's not as, like, hefty. But I guess, like, it's not as hefty as that other one. That one's pretty long. But anyways, it's easier with the Velcro to hang it up to. So I like that better, for sure. Okay, so another thing with the zippers, on the AC Infinity, depending on your setup, you may want to get on both sides of the plants. I don't know why you would. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Maybe easier for cleaning. But mine's right up against the wall, so it's not. But if you had opening on both sides and you needed to get in, this would be great because you can actually do it. The zippers go all the way across the bottom and all the way across the top, whereas the Mars Hydro, you get here and you go down, and then on the bottom is the only thing that comes off. Okay? It stops down there. You can't get in from this side of the tent. It's sealed, right? The zipper goes to that corner, but that's it. So a little bit more accessibility with the AC Infinity. All right, so for the viewing window. So Mars Hydro has a square viewing window, and it is mesh. So you can arrow go through there when you're opening it. Whereas this one, it's not mesh, it's actually plastic. Oh, fabric pots. I guess that's what's going in here next. Be on the lookout for the unboxing of those. Check those out. There's some cool things on it. AC Infinity. Use the coupon code 420things at the checkout. Get yourself a discount. But yeah,